In this video, I'll show you how to hide your presentation notes while presenting in Microsoft Teams. First, open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation on your computer. Now, go to the Slideshow tab and make sure Use Presenter View is enabled. After that, click From Beginning or From Current Slide to start the slideshow. Now, open Microsoft Teams and join your meeting. Click on the Share button at the top of the Teams window. From the sharing options, select the PowerPoint slideshow window only. Do not select the presenter view or your entire screen. Once you start sharing, participants will only see your slides, while you can still privately view your notes in presenter view. You can now move through your presentation normally while keeping your notes hidden from everyone in the meeting. That's it. This is how you can hide your presentation notes in Microsoft Teams while still using presenter view for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.